OEMs are now have started to commit quite intense expansion plans. So most large players have now significant investments to expand capacity. Here's an overview of some upcoming plans. For example, Hitachi announced just around 1 year ago that they're investing around 1.5 billion, or actually over 1.5 billion by 2027 to increase capacity globally. And also Siemens Energy are investing around $1.3 billion by 2030 to their grid technology division. The largest share of these announcements are coming in the US. That's where we see the most projects. But since most of these announcements were made kind of within the last year, and it takes typically 2 to 4 years for the investments to materialize into production capacity, it means that a lot of the additional capacity is not really coming online until 2026, 2027, and onwards when these plants start to ramp up. So we don't see any immediate relief on the supply side, since demand is also continue to grow this year. But we are seeing new announcements. Just in the last weeks, we saw Vantran and MGM now opening a new facility in Texas for liquid fuel transformers. And also it was just announced that Prolec GE are now investing in a new facility in North Carolina in the US to aim to double their capacity by 2030. But if you now look, we have looked now a bit on the growth on demand, and with these expansions on supply, it's now interesting to see if this will balance out the market.
Visit Sinovoltaics.com and rystadenergy.com to learn more.